So just to make the test fair, I've got a perfectly working Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus right here. We're going to be trying to run Fortnite on this. So we're going to go into the Play Store and we're going to get the Fortnite downloader because for some reason it needs a separate downloader. Where is it? Ah. So it's not available on Google Play. Pretty sure it's available on Galaxy apps though, apparently. I don't know, I've seen, yeah, there it is. First thing, there you go, Fortnite installer because it needs a separate installer for some reason. So yeah, we'll install it. I'm not gonna keep this on my phone. Just doing this for testing purposes, I guess. I really don't want to play this. I played it once on my computer and I didn't find it enjoyable at all, and I just uninstalled it after like 2 games. So here we go, installing Fortnite. Game storage required, you're about to blah blah blah, continue. I've got like more than 64 gigabytes, I'm pretty sure. So it's installed. So all we have to do now is press launch, I think. I hope there's no other downloads. Oh, here we go, it's launched, or it's launching at least. Well, it's got more downloading to do. 1.16 gigabytes. That's not very much at all. I can't believe I'm wasting my time on this. You know, I'm gonna shower in the meantime, actually. Okay, so the stupid intro is playing again, which it's already played like twice. Oh, here we go, the lobby. As you can see, I'm a default skin because I don't like this game and I don't really wanna put any money into it at all, just to look good. Okay, so we found a game, it's just loading up. I've got this quite far away from my face because the camera's in front, but we're not trying to get decent gameplay here, we're just, I guess, checking out the performance. Okay, the loading bar has reached the end. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. Oh shit, how do you drop? How do you drop? How do you drop? Wait, there. The drop button, there we go. Okay, so far so good. What's that purple thing? I don't know what the hell, I don't know what goes on in this game. The graphics are on full for this version at least, which is medium graphics. Haven't lagged so far. I think the FPS limit is either 30 or this thing can only run 30. Oh shit, how the hell can people play this on their phones? Unless this is like cross-platform, which I don't think it is. Okay, let's get a move on, shall we? Oh, there's some guns over there. Let me just pick them up. How do you pick them up? What am I How do you pick them up? Do you just run over them? Okay, yeah. Oh, and it vibrates when you pick them up. That's kind of cool. Oh, something's flashing at me. What is it? A toilet? How do you mine? Oh god, it vibrates every time you hit something. Oh god, I'm being shot. Where is he? There he is. Oh. The sound is really quiet. It's on full volume and it's still kind of quiet. I think it's because my index finger was covering the speaker. Alright, we'll go in the lobby again. We'll do another match. Okay, so as you can see, I've adjusted the camera a little bit. And there's now sound. That was a really terrible match. I got killed literally instantly. I'm going to try to avoid covering the speaker with my index finger this time though. Although that's going to be quite hard. I don't know really where to put my index finger. Yeah. For a second there I got 60 FPS, so I don't think there's a limit. I think it's just doing what it can do. But 30 FPS, that is definitely playable. Now the reason why I'm not using like a screen capturing software is because I reckon it'd lag a lot. No, not a lot, but it'll impact your performance because recording at the same time as running a game, it is pretty demanding, so I didn't want to try it. And it's only fair as well on the test, I guess, because you're not going to be recording this really unless you're, unless you want to. What am I doing? Yeah, I'm still inside the circle, I'm all good. I don't know why you'd port a PC game or PC and console game onto mobile because it doesn't work. It's a PC/console game. It's not a mobile game. Mobile has its own kind of genre of games because they support it. They work with the controls that you're limited to, which are just touch controls. Oh shit. What the hell is that thing? What is that? What are those? Oh, it's one of these things. Oh, right. That's weird. Okay. It's like a mob spawner from Minecraft. This is fun, just kind of mowing these dudes down. Do you get points? Oh, it's like aim assist. Oh god. I got eliminated by someone. Oh. Well, it was fun mowing those dudes down, I guess. So conclusion then. Android devices such as the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus can in fact run Fortnite perfectly fine, 30 FPS consistently. That was alright. It's pyrocynical. That was fun. Well, it was, I don't know. I'm not saying that all Android devices are capable of running Fortnite the way my S8 Plus did, because they all vary in processors, RAM, GPUs. They're not like iPhones and just kind of get better each generation. You got an S8 Plus or or a Note 9, for example, and then you've got something like the Honor 8X, I think it's called, which isn't very powerful. It is powerful, but it wouldn't. I don't think it'd run Fortnite as well as this. Yet it's still, it's a 2018 device. Meanwhile, this is 2017, and it could probably run it better. And just for clarification, I'm not saying that iPhones are bad, because iPhones are good phones. They are actually really good phones, but they're just not worth the price. Meanwhile, Androids are much more worth the price. You get more out of them. I honestly just prefer Androids over iPhone just because of the features they've got. And honestly, they do perform better in a lot of cases. So this is an iPhone after running Fortnite. Blown to smithereens, just couldn't take it.